Sagittarius, what's poppin'? Ain't no song for you playing right now, so you may be thinking, you may be planning, you may be processing things in your mind, sorting out a couple things, you feel me? Trying to work some shit out. It's about halfway done, so it's like, oh, shit. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, my fault. You trying to heal some shit. Alright, you trying to come up with ideas on how you can make some shit work, because you don't want judgment to be called on the situation you involved in. It's like you don't want the horn to be blown. You don't want to blow the horn regarding something. You don't want something to change. You don't want something to transform. And the only way something not going to change and transform is if you heal. Now you realize that, but you don't know. You may not know how to heal the lies, or you just may be lying as regarding to your healing. You may be telling somebody, yeah, you changed, yeah, you healed, yeah, I grew, yeah, whatever it is. You trying to sell somebody something and you selling them some lies regarding your healing as to your mental health, your physical health, or your just external world. You feel me? Ain't my fault. See what I told you? That's the song that's playing for you. You may be trying to tell somebody something's not your fault in order to heal something, but you lying. It's like you want to clear your name. I didn't do this. It's not my fault. Look, sign one, you out of balance. Because the truth out. Or the truth has been revealed regarding what? Some secrets. Some secrets you was trying to keep hitting, and these were not good secrets. You feel me? And the truth is out about them, and that truth done fuck you up. Threw you out of balance, threw you out of whack regarding something. You feel me? I don't know what that look. That shit brought her into some shit. Motherfuckers was partying once upon a time before this truth came out. Shit was sweet and you was balanced. Motherfuckers was celebrating, partying, the whole nine regarding an emotion. Y'all all shared feelings regarding one topic. Whether that's you and some co-workers at work would talk shit about the manager, y'all would celebrate talking shit about the manager. Y'all felt good every time y'all got together, and y'all strictly got together to talk shit about the manager. 222, right? Now that was the function, that was the why, that was the because, and that was the and. You feel me? But now, fast forward, truth came out. Oh shit. Now you out of bounds. You trying to balance your external world and your mentality. You can't get them motherfuckers to line up, right? Now the party over. All the co-workers that used to link up to talk shit about the manager ain't talking shit about the manager no more. Y'all motherfuckers don't even really talk no more, because the truth came out. As soon as the truth came out, cut all the bullshit. And now you like, it's not my fault. now you want to clear your name. It ain't my fault. Listen, you trying to tell the manager. It's like you was the ring leader, and you trying to come and hold up. Really, this is really what happened. Hey yo, Sagittarius, what? I need another card though. Ugh. Yeah, look, you looking at something. Look, you looking at something you walked away from. You probably walked away from your best friend, right? Come on, Sagittarius. Don't tell me you. It's like, see, look, now something complete. You may not want something to be complete. I'm getting, like, let's say this is a relationship, right? Because this is something you was invested in. You got the 7 of coins. What's the 8 of cups? 8 of cups and the 7 of coins. This is something you invested in. This isn't nothing new to you. Alright? This ain't nothing new to you. This is something you've been dabbling in before. Look, you're not happy regarding something. It's like you walked away from something only to later turn back around and start looking at it again. Now you like, hold up. I don't want something to be done. You're my best friend. Come on, Sagittarius. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, no, flip back. Last card for Sagittarius. Look, now you want to go bring your mind somewhere. But this is what you manifested. It's like you was bullshitting. So you manifested a completion in something because you was playing. Now you want to turn around and go back to what it is you already was working on. Whether it's like an old relationship, basically your best friend. Now you want to go holler at your best friend like, oh wait, hold up, and that's because you fucked up right now. You out of balance right now. Now that you out of balance, now you just looking around like, oh, I remember this. Let me go ahead and bring some mentalities, ideas. Let me go make an offer to whatever this is. Like if it's a job situation, you quit your job to go to a new job, only for that job to short you in the end, and you ended up losing. It's like in the end, you ended up making more money at your last job than your new job, but you left your last job because they said the pay was more. Now you fucked up. Now you looking at your last job like, I wonder if they'll take me back. Let me go ahead and bring them an application. Let me go talk to the manager. And guess what? But this is what you wanted. This is what you manifested. That's my best friend. I'm gonna fuck with you, Sagittarius.